Hello, welcome to probably a quite small vlog. I'm here for one photograph and I've never been here before, but I know people have been here. It's nice to know where the place is. I'm with Owen, who's behind me somewhere around here, and Denise is actually in the car, so if me and Owen don't come back, she has the car keys to make her way home, and that's Slippy there. Yeah, where are we? Yeah, good question. We are at, and I'm not sure where it is, but out there is a lighthouse, and put me right if I'm wrong, but I think it's called Plover, something like that, Plover Lighthouse. Now, I'm not sure how far out we can get, or how to get there.
I'm not rushing back either.
And not rushing back. We're not sure how to get there or how to get out to it. The tide is coming in. The tide's due in at 7 o'clock, and we also know that this is a very treacherous. Actually, no, Owen doesn't know. I haven't told him yet. But this is a very treacherous estuary.
What?
Yeah, apparently, yeah, it's quite nasty. The tide comes in really fast, and
Fastest runner wins.
yeah, the fastest runner's going to win. So that's the plan, to get out there to that little lighthouse, or at least in a position we can get a shot of it. There is a sea mist that's drifting in, which is obviously making it quite subdued, which is quite nice. I quite like the idea of the sea mist, but this is not the easiest stuff to walk on, but we're not actually sinking yet. I'm sure that whoever's watching this that has been out here, or know people that's been here, you're probably all shouting at us now from the other end of the screen saying, don't go any further, don't go any further, but we will find out. If we start sinking, we'll stop and we'll come back and we'll just call it a day. But let's go and have a look, see if I can get a little bit closer to it. We're due a sunset-ish, but you're not going to get much colour, but there is some sun up. So we're just going to see what we get. Wish us luck. So, we have got a little bit closer. We're now on something a little bit more solid and slippy, but well, not really slippy. It's got a bit of an edge to it, but at least it's a bit harder underfoot. We have now both got muddy feet, which is fine. We're grown men, we can cope with that. This isn't going to be anything special. So if you're waiting to the end when I get a photograph, don't wait too long if you're looking for some unique piece of masterpiece, because it won't be.
You're not going to put mine up?
I'll show them yours instead then. But what I am prepared to do is have a bit of an adventure, and Owen, like me, enjoys the little adventures, so this is what we're going to try and do. Now we're getting towards some seaweed, so it's getting a bit more interesting. So we're going to try not to slip and fall and break my camera and pick our way through this. But look at the lovely haze in here. Look at this lovely haze we've got over there, this nice evening glow of the mist. What I'm trying to do really is trying to get a reflection, something that just makes it, rather than just that little speck which is just there. So we're going to keep going forwards. The wall's behind us, so now we're heading out towards the tide and seaweed, and just try not to get stuck in any of this softish looking sand. It's quite nice here, mate. Quite like it here. You've got a bit of a leading line coming through here and taking you round to it. God, it's gone right past my feet. I'm not going to get a 30-second exposure in this. I'm going to get wet, mate. I'm not kidding you. I've just I've just been stood in the water and the water was lapping around my feet. That come in really, really fast. So I was trying to do a 30-second exposure, but it just wasn't having it. So I'm going to go for a slightly different game plan on this one and use these rock pools to try and get in. So we're just making sure I'm keeping my eyes behind me, which is behind you and in front of you, sorry, just to try and stop the tide coming round us, because honestly within a few moments it's on you. We've got a pretty good footing where we are. I'm not sure if I can get down low enough for this. But yeah, that's quite a scary, eerie feeling of it lapping around your feet and suddenly you're disappearing. So yeah, it's coming in pretty quick. You can see Mr. O behind me and the tide's just gaining on him quicker and quicker and quicker. So yeah, we're all right. We've just got to go back that direction, which is fine. Colour 0. I've got a long exposure, which I've already dialed in and done. Yeah, I'm going to drop the camera really, really low now and try and get a reflection in this pool of water. But I've got to get it really, really low, so I'm going to have to let go of you first. So we'll be back in a little sec when I've got it done. Right, I'm sure you can probably hear me okay. Mr. O's got the camera and I'm just going to try and set up just one more shot. I think that's all we can do. The light's gone, it's just grey in front of us, there's nothing behind the lighthouse, it's a very minimal shot. I'm basically setting the lighthouse bang in the middle and I'm going to use this angle like a triangle in front of it, sort of like an arrowhead pointing you towards it. Focus on the lighthouse, f9, ISO 400, that gives me my base shot, and that's just so I can put the 10 stopper in. And again, we are keeping an eye on this water level because it's coming in to Owen's right hand side at the moment. So the 10 stopper's going in and I can drop my ISO down now a little bit. So I can drop my ISO down 10 seconds, 15, where are we? We can get down to ISO 160 and it's giving us 15 seconds. Let's get down to that, and we can up the f-stop a little bit. Let's go up to f11. It's giving me 25 seconds. So I'm going to put my 2-second timer on, hit the button. I'm going to wait for that to happen, and that's about all we can do. The only thing I can maybe do is just wait for that water that's just coming to the front of that angle, just to show me the reflection. But my God, it comes in really, really, really fast. So yeah, that's that shot. When it's finished cooking, I'll let you see it. Well, as you can see, the water's coming up round us rather quickly now, so we are retreating backwards towards the shoreline, just to give us a bit more space between us and the water. Colour-wise, colour's directly behind you, we've got no colour whatsoever, but it's all I wanted to do, just a very short video just to take you to somewhere a little bit new, somewhere different. I knew it wasn't going to be an epic, but I actually think it's quite a nice shot. It's very minimal. I do love my minimal images. I haven't done any for a long time, but that patch of water directly behind me there now, just see that patch there, completely gone underwater now, and I was stood on that just not, what, a minute ago, 30 seconds ago. As I walk back, I'm going to watch the water pools to see what they do, but yeah, it's game over really. That's all we're going to get. I know this can be shot at a very low tide, so maybe I'll bring Mr. O back up when there's a very low tide and we can actually get out near the lighthouse. That might be quite nice, but other than that, there's not much else you can do on a day like this. So I'm going to say a simple thank you for watching. Let me know what you think of that quick shot. Have you ever been here before? When's the best time to come? Let me know if you know. And yeah, what's the best way of getting down here without walking through all that sort of slightly sinking 2-inch sand that we just come across? So yeah, till next time, like I say, thanks for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe as normal. Check out the website for workshops and things. I'll bring you down here if you want to come down here. I don't mind. Till next time, ciao for now. Bye bye bye.